Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to view business contact information on Google Maps website. Open your favorite browser. Go to google.com/maps. Wait for the map to load completely. Locate the search bar at the top left corner of the screen. Type the name or address of the place you are interested in. Press enter. The map will instantly zoom in to your preferred location. A red pin will appear on the map marking the place. In the left sidebar, you can find an info panel where you can find more details about the place. Scroll down until you see the address and the phone section. If you are on the desktop, click the copy icon to copy the phone number. If you are on the phone, tap the dial icon to make a call instantly. Google Maps usually doesn't show email address directly. To find the email address, click on the business official website link and check their contact us page. This is how you can view business contact information on Google Maps website. Thank you for watching.